Ready or not, here I come. For those who wanna get some, I shot a rhyme to the dome that left you numb. I'm the invincible, colossal, all-time great. On the road like a pair of skates, but let's continue. Check the agenda. Soft contenders better surrender to me, your lord, and I'm bored with your pillar soft suckers. Talking, but you're all whack. Game's over, the arcade's closed today. And I'm dope, it's what you're supposed to say. So pay attention to the science I'm dropping, yo. I wax that like a bottle of mop and glow. Truly a treat to see Wolski in action. I got more control than Janet Jackson. Store rounds in my mind like a floppy disk. So the MC spots can't copy this. Approach me, I'm not the Uno. Kick that like Tyson did Bruno. Your rhyme's a joke, I'm waiting for the punchline, true. You know the time, mission accomplished. A metaphor, better for competitors to run. I began, so let's begin to have fun. When I say a rhyme, I operate like a surgeon. You can't get loose, you're tight like a. When you oppose, I suppose you're one of those MCs who want a bass or taste. Get out my face, no potential. Originality is essential, but you don't have the right credentials. You're a poodle, I get brutal like a Doberman, and I'll determine when it's over, man. Watch where you step to. I use a technique like Kung Fu. Till my mic couldn't hung you. Skedaddle, don't try to battle, you're no competition. You're on a mission, I'm dissing, pissing you off cause you're soft just like Bounty. You want a dope MC? You found me. Mission accomplished. Can match and catch your style I'm using. Come solo or come in twosing. Come in cruising, bring the gang in. The whole clan, but man, you won't be hanging. I'm mellow, like to say hello to all the fly ladies, cause I'm the fellow you heard about. Word of mouth made me popular. Bust a style, child, and I'm topping ya. There's no way you can hang, obtain, contain, remain conscious when I flaunt this technique. Wet feet, now you crush, hush, cause I'm about to bust apart. From the start, no heart, you got done. I'm not the one. Run and tell your posse that I'm back on a rampage. The main stage, I'ma settle it here and now. Pow, went the 9mm. 10 years and I bet I can still defeat her. Suck a duck like you in a blink. Your style stinks. Mission accomplished. I don't think